Greetings everyone. This video is presented to you by Krypto, and today we're going to be looking over the relative strength index trading technique. So I'm going to tell you how to use it in the crypto exchange market. And in the first part, I'm going to explain you the basics of the RSI, and then we are going to see how to implement it, and then we're going to go over the app and we'll see how it works. All right, so let's go. So RSI, what do you mean by RSI? So the basic idea behind RSI is that how do you determine the right price of a coin? I'm just talking about a coin in this context, but it can be any asset, so keep that in mind. So this RSI trading technique, it helps you to determine if a coin is overpriced or if it's underpriced, and whether you should buy or sell depending on it. So the RSI, it will determine the momentum that measures the speed and the changes of the prices, and it ranges from 0 to 100.
Before we learn how to implement and calculate the RSI, let's take a little bit of a time in understanding how can RSI be beneficial and help you make the best trades of your life. So let's just get inside the exchange and let's go inside the charts. So right over here, we have a real-time chart of Ethereum to Indian rupees. So we have the indicators right over like inside Krypto, and all you have to do is just go inside this indicator and you should be having a list of indicators that is supported by Krypto. Now let's go to RSI, which is right over here, and let me show you a really spicy thing. Now in this indicator, whenever the chart hits somewhere around 30 or somewhere near around the corner, or let's say even 40 or something, there is usually an uptrend. So if you see here, the chart has gone below 30. And when this thing happens, there is a sudden spike right to the top. So you see this thing right over here. So it comes and there's a loss over here. And this 30, it goes all the way up. It goes, and it goes. And usually, whenever you come anywhere closer to the 50 or 60 spectrum, it's a good time to sell your stocks off. So whatever you buy at 30, just try to sell it off right at 60 because it is the sweet spot to sell your stuff. But if you have a lot of hope in your coin or something that you have invested in, then cool off, you can surely wait. And in some cases, in some rare cases, it have gone beyond that. So as you can see, like it has gone way beyond that. But always, guys, whenever you see something going below 30, it's a good time to invest. And this is a small basic note about RSI. And now we'll be learning more about RSI and how this exactly works and how you can calculate this RSI if you want to do it by yourself.
So let's see how this indicator works, how RSI works. So RSI 100 minus 0.1 plus RS. So how do you calculate RS? RS is nothing but average profit upon average loss. So this average is considered over a time period, all right? And usually a lot of people consider this time period to be 10 days approximately. But it totally depends on you. You can even change it. But usually we take it as 10 days. But if you want to study it for like a lot more days than that, that's totally up to you. And okay, so let's take an example over here. So if my profit was $100 in 10 days and my loss was $10 in 10 days, my RS value would come about to be like, if it's 10 days, 10 upon 10, that's 10, and 10 by 10 is 1, so RS is 10. And RSI would come about to be 100 minus 100, 1 plus 10. That's 100 minus 100 by 11. That's almost 9. So that's approximately 91. So at this point, RSI is telling us that the value of the set is overpriced and maybe you should consider selling it. But you should also consider other indicators to do so, but this is what RSI is telling us to do. So let's see the RSI suggestions. So basically, when the RSI is below 40, that's a downtrend. And this is when a lot of people want to buy the coin, would want to buy the coin if they notice this. And if the RSI is above 60, then the point where it's going to achieve its peak is going to be around that time soon. So keep that in mind. That's the uptrend. And I just want you to want you to know that just don't buy or sell blindly just on the basis of RSI and consider other trends and indicators. And there's this another example. So suppose RSI hits below 40, then and then after that there's a slight high in the market, then we can predict that maybe it's like a local low for the market. So it might be a good point to actually buy those coins. Thanks a lot for watching this video and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to download the Krypto app. Bye bye.